Who would win? A steam locomotive that was built as a copy of a standardized design rooted from the attempted nationalization of America's railroad system. One gas torch boy. Rails of Highland Valley, the Outback Railroad, San Juan Trains, Steam Nation. This is brilliant, but I like this. Rediscovering Pacific Productions, rekindling my love for trains, the 27th of December, 2019, colorized.
Me, Mom, can we have a Southern Pacific 4449? Mom, we already have a Southern Pacific 4449 at home. Southern Pacific 4449 at home. Your crush, her dad, her brother, her first love, her ex, you. Describing Pacific Productions be like, this is a masterpiece, you cannot judge art. I prefer the real 100 miles per hour steam locomotive. I said the real 100 miles per hour steam locomotive. Perfection. When your sleigh breaks down and you decide to dash through the snow in a 428.5-ton locomotive that was totally not stolen from Pennsylvania. You after attempting to upgrade your locomotive which suffers from frequent wheel slip by modifying its valve gear to something traditional. Auto Easy.